So yes, millets are very beneficial for patients who have diabetes. So to understand better, we compare with say wheat and rice. So millets are basically cereal grains, just like your wheat and rice. They are from grasses, they are seeds from the grasses. So when you compare the type of carbohydrate that is present in millets as compared to your wheat and rice, the carbohydrate in millets is of a complex character. So by that I mean that it is very rich in starch, very rich in dietary fiber. The starch, the quality of starch, the type of starch that is present in millets is a type of resistant starch. So the resistant starch is slower to digest. जब हम खाते हैं, अगर सपोजिंग आज हम ज्वार की रोटी खाते हैं या गेहूं की रोटी खाते हैं, तो ज्वार की रोटी में से जो ग्लूकोज, इट हैज़ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, बोथ ज्वार हैज़ कार्बोहाइड्रेट और wheat has carbohydrate. But the type of carbohydrate in jawar will take a longer time to get digested, so the glucose release into the bloodstream is slow, whereas in wheat it will be faster. So this helps in managing the blood glucose levels. It will make sure that the insulin spikes are less and the insulin resistance reduces. So by this I mean that the glycemic index, this is how we calculate the glycemic index of a grain. So the glycemic index of millets is far lesser as compared to your wheat or your rice. So definitely shifting from wheat and rice to millets is very good for diabetic patients. So ideally all millets have similar nutritional composition, and all of them are good for diabetes. But to start with, when you have to, specifically when I say that, which are the most beneficial for diabetic patients, if you're planning to substitute your rice with a millet grain or millet rice, barnyard millet, जो हम नॉर्थ साइड में झंगोरा की खीर जो हम बोलते हैं, झंगोरा बोलते हैं, हिंदी में सांवा बोलते हैं, गुजराती में मोरैयो बोलते हैं, इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर फास्टिंग मिलेट, फास्टिंग ग्रेन. जो उपवास में जो हम रिलीजियस फास्टिंग रखते हैं उसमें दिस ग्रेन इज़ यूज वेरी ऑफन. सो मोस्ट पीपल आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस. So this millet, why this millet is very useful in diabetic patients is, one, it has the lowest carbohydrate content amongst all the other millets. The glycemic index is the lowest, and it is very high in dietary fiber. Also the iron content is very good in this, so it adds on to your nutrient value, and it is very easy to use this millet in place of rice. So जैसे हम राइस पकाते हैं, जैसे स्टीम करते हैं राइस को, सेम वे हम barnyard millet को भी steam करके in form of rice or rice and dal you can have. So barnyard millet with your dal, or you can have it in form of your pulao or biryani, or even in form of खीर. और अगर आपको इडली या डोसा बनाना है, तो जो हम यूजुअली राइस और उड़द दाल लेते हैं, सेम वे यू कैन यूज़, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइस यू कैन यूज़ barnyard millet along with your उड़द दाल, and you can make your idli or dosa. So point being that the diabetic patients is not deprived of the food that they usually enjoy. So usually एक ये रहता है कि डायबिटिक है तो राइस बंद हो जाता है. So a lot of patients find it very difficult to stay away from the rice dishes. So this way they can incorporate the rice dish but substituting rice with barnyard millet. Another one is kodo millet, similar to barnyard millet, again very high in iron, low glycemic index, very high in dietary fiber, helps in lowering your blood glucose levels. So similar to this you can use kodo millet as well. Coming to your millet flours, jowar and nachni, like I said, they are the most versatile and they can be incorporated. अगर आप रोटी बना रहे हो तो ज्वार की रोटी is something which is very easy to substitute from your wheat roti. हमें जो wheat रोटी खाने, जिन लोगों को भी चपाती खाने की आदत है, they can easily shift to jowar because the taste is more adaptable and it is easier to make. नाचनी again, if you're making a porridge, या आजकल स्मूदी का बहुत सीजन चल रहा है, lot of people are, the craze of smoothies. So ragi malt is again a very good way of incorporating this in your diet. Ragi is again beneficial because it has iron, it has calcium. रागी का डोसा भी बन जाता है, which is instant, जो हम रवा का डोसा जैसे बनाते हैं. Rava is again a form of wheat, so instead of that you can use nachni, which is made immediately. So I think these 3-4 millets are very easy to incorporate in diabetic patients. One thing though I would like to mention here is when you are trying to introduce millets for the first time, especially a millet rice, I would say go slow, go gradual. First start with one millet. Don't replace all your meals with that millet. start with 1 or 2 meals over a week, and then see how your body is adapting to that millet, and then gradually you can increase the quantity and the frequency. Since millet जो last year से हमें push मिली है because of the government and a lot of other organization giving a push to millets, one thing of importance is that lot of polished millets are available in the market. तो unpolished millet खरीदना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So the awareness has to be there that polished millets ना लेके unpolished millets ले. And another very important point is soaking the millet is extremely important. That you have to soak the millet for 6 to 8 hours before you cook them.